A nice lady called me from New York and she said, I have a beautiful Oriental rug, then it's in a storage for 15 years. And I didn't clean it before I put it in a storage. Now, after I took it from the storage, it smelled so bad. Can I send you the rug? I said, absolutely, but I want you to know, I cannot guarantee the removal of yellow or orangey stain. She said, I understand. I arranged FedEx to come over and pick up the rug from her doorstep, and I receive it after 3 days. I put the rug on the vacuum floor and take a look how I cleaned the Oriental rug without touching the rug in the wet cleaning process. This is a very unique cleaning process specifically to remove the urine odor. In the process of removing the urine odor, we will remove all the dirt and the soil that is in the rug. However, the yellow-orange stain will remain. But because the rug it's like in a beige color, in a camel tone, is not so noticeable. So you have to make a decision if you can live with this, if you like the rug. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. The only one guarantee urine odor removal permanently. And for the next time, if you're planning to put Oriental rug in storage, clean it first, and the rug will last forever.